Samsung's flagship phones took a big leap forward this year with the Samsung Galaxy S20 and Samsung Galaxy Z Flip, and that could continue with the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy Note 20. Like this year's upgrade to the Galaxy S series, the next Galaxy Note phablet could be a major step from last year's model, with some key display and camera improvements that could make one of the best big phones even better. And based on recent rumors we have heard, you won't have to wait very long for the Note 20 to arrive. Here's everything we have heard so far about the Galaxy Note 20, so make sure you watch this entire video so that you don't miss anything about the device. Also subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss our videos in future. So let's begin with the specifications. As far as specs are concerned, we expect both the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 and Note 20 Plus to feature the latest Snapdragon 865 SoC and 5G connectivity. The previously mentioned Galaxy S20 kernel source code associates the Galaxy Note 20 with Kona, which is a code name for Qualcomm's latest chipset. We were already confident the Note 20 would run on the Snapdragon 865 this year, but this just further affirms our expectations. The code also suggests that only the US variant will feature the Snapdragon SoC. If this is the case, then handsets in the markets will tout Samsung Exynos processor, likely the Exynos 990. This would come as no surprise since the Note 10 also featured the Snapdragon 855 SoC stateside, while the rest of the world saw the latest Samsung chipset, the Exynos 9825. With Samsung introducing a 120Hz refresh rate display on all the Galaxy S20 models, the Note 20 models will likely also offer the faster refresh speed. According to ICE Universe, Note 20 will feature a more fine-tuned version of the 120Hz refresh rate displays that debuted on the Galaxy S20 series. We are not exactly sure what that fine-tuning means, but it's worth pointing out that the Galaxy S20 can't use 120Hz at full QHD resolution because it would consume too much power. If Samsung is able to address this for the Note 20 series and allow you to enjoy both maximum smoothness and fidelity, it could be the ultimate phone for big screen gaming and productivity. The Note 10 has a 6.3 inches display, the Note 10 Plus has a 6.8 inches display, and the Note 10 Lite has a 6.7 inches screen. We would expect similar display sizes for the Note 20 devices, with curved edges. Some reports have suggested an under-display camera, which would negate the need for the punch-hole camera. But for now, this is just rumor, and it may be that only one of the Note 20 models offers it. An early leak of the upcoming handset's possible phone case reveals a bit about what we can expect from its design. The leaked photos show what appears to be an inlay mode for the official Samsung Galaxy Note 20 LED view cover. WinFuture.e editor Roland Quant posted the images on his Twitter account, and we can see the front and the back of the inlay. There are a couple of things we can deduce about the handset from these images. First, we have a good idea of what we might expect from the Galaxy Note 20's camera array. If these leaked images are to be trusted, we can probably expect a robust camera setup similar to what we see on the Galaxy S20 Ultra. Since these photos are just a leak of a possible case mode, we have to take this information with a grain of salt. A lot of things can still change about the handset between now and its official release date, so keep that in mind. We would expect the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 series to take from the Galaxy S20 series in terms of camera. It is therefore likely that the Note 20 Plus will offer similar camera specifications to the Galaxy S20 Ultra, but with some new feature additions or improvements here and there, while the standard Note 20 will likely take its specifications from the standard S20. If this is the case, the Note 20 Plus could have a 108 megapixel main sensor, 48 megapixel telephoto sensor, 12 megapixel ultra-wide, and a depth vision sensor on the rear. The standard Note 20 meanwhile might offer a 12 megapixel main sensor, 64 megapixel telephoto shimmer, 12 megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and a depth vision sensor. Or it might only offer the first three sensors and ditch the depth vision. It is likely the Note 20 and Note 20 Plus will offer at least 12 GB of RAM too, though Samsung might set up the RAM for the Ultra variant. One disappointing spec we have heard about comes from Sam Mobile, which reports that the Galaxy Note 20 could ship with 128 GB of built-in storage. That would be a step back from the Note 10, which featured 256 GB of storage. Of course, That phone didn't have a micro SD slot for adding capacity, so perhaps this feature would return in the Note 20 to balance things out. A report from Galaxy Club says that the standard Galaxy Note 20 will get a 4000 mAh battery, which is a notable upgrade from the Galaxy Note 10's 3500 mAh battery. It's not clear what the Galaxy Note 20 Plus could get, but it is possible it could borrow the 4500 mAh pack from the Galaxy S20 Plus or the even bigger 5000 mAh battery from the Galaxy S20 Ultra. Based on historical pricing, we don't expect the Samsung Note 20 to come cheap. The Galaxy Note 10 currently starts at $949 or with the Galaxy Note 10 Plus going for $1,999 and the Note 10 Plus 5G costing $1,299. Samsung's just launched Galaxy S20 follows a similar pricing structure, with the Galaxy S20 starting at $999, the Galaxy S20 Plus at $1,199 and the Galaxy S20 Ultra at $1,399. So if last year's pricing is anything to go by, both the Galaxy Note 20 and Note 20 Plus could see price tags starting at no less than $1,000. According to reputable Twitter leakster Max Weinbach, the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 could launch as soon as July, alongside the rumored Samsung Galaxy Fold 2. This lines up with Samsung's typical release schedule for its Note devices, which normally launch by August of every year. It's worth keeping an eye on any subsequent rumors about the Note 20's release date. Though, as the current virus outbreak has left the tech world in flux, Apple is reportedly dealing with disruptions to its iPhone 12 supply chain. For example, and with the disease affecting South Korea in particular, Samsung could have to deal with a similar situation. So guys, this was our detailed talk on the upcoming Galaxy Note 20 series. I hope you liked the video. If yes, then please smash the like button and subscribe to our gadgets friendly channel, Gadgets Times.